Chapter 11, the Sales Freedom Mission. Chapter 11, the Sales Freedom Mission. You've learned how to move from pressure to purpose in how you sell. Now it's time to carry that revolution into how you influence others. The Sales Freedom Mission is about scaling what you now embody and bringing that transformation to your company, family, friends. And I'll never forget what the Army commander said to me. In the civilian world, you have quotas. In the military, we have missions. That line hit me like a lightning bolt. At the time, U.S. Army recruiters struggled to convince American citizens to join the military. Their conversion rates were dangerously low, and the consequences were real, not just for careers, but for our country's national security. I jumped in. My team and I interviewed the leadership, dug into the real problem, and got to work. But the moment the commander said those words, everything shifted for me. This wasn't just another performance problem to solve. This was a mission. And suddenly, it wasn't something I should do. It was something I must do. Most people don't know that I've always been a patriot. As a kid, I dreamed of being a fighter pilot. I joined Air Force ROTC in college and passed the officer test to enter pilot school. But when the military changed the commitment to 12 years, I got scared. I walked away. And for over 20 years, I regretted that decision. Standing there with those Army recruiters, I realized something. That chapter wasn't a failure. It was preparation. Has this ever happened to you? Looking back, realizing that you're exactly where you are supposed to be? Because for the past 2 decades, I had been mastering the art of unleashing human performance. I had become an expert in selling, in coaching, in turning potential into power, and now I had the chance to serve in a way I never could have as a pilot by training the very people who protect our freedom. In just 90 days, we doubled the conversion rates of the recruiters in our program. What normally took the Army 12 months to train a recruiter to achieve their mission, we were able to accomplish this in 90 days. Because when a person understands they're on a mission, not just chasing a number, everything changes, and that's exactly what this chapter is about. You didn't just read a book, you joined something bigger than yourself. Sales freedom isn't a tactic.
It's not a motivational moment. It's not another training that fades by Friday. It's a new identity. And now it's your turn to carry the mission forward. You're here because deep down, you've always known you were made for more. You've always believed that selling isn't about money or metrics. It's about meaning. We believe selling is not a transaction. It's a transformation. This chapter isn't about doing more. It's about becoming more so that others rise with you. You are now a beacon, a disruptor, and a sales warrior in a world of order takers and amateurs. And your next level is not just about winning your own deals, it's about leading the revolution. 1, share the manifesto, the sales freedom. Manifesto is your code. It's the new standard, the declaration that ends mediocrity and gives people a higher path. Share it with your team, share it on social, post it on your wall, frame it in your office, teach it to others, read it every day. We believe that the sales warrior identity is not something you earn, it's something you embody. And when others see you living it, they'll want it too. Scan the QR here to download the Sales Freedom Manifesto. 2, give the gift of the book, Freedom Multiplies Through Generosity. You can send this book to a struggling peer, gift it to your leadership team, or use it to train your new hires. Don't keep the message to yourself. Let it spread like wildfire. We believe that when you help others achieve freedom, you unlock your own. 3, invite others to the Sales Freedom Masterclass. You don't have to carry the flag alone. Scan the QR code in the back of this book to enroll in the next Sales Freedom Masterclass and bring a teammate with you. Let them experience what you just did. Let them see what's possible. We believe sales freedom is for the few who are ready to lead the many. 4, keep growing, keep going. There is no finish line for mastery, only the next rep, the next lesson, the next breakthrough. Every day you show up as a sales warrior, you give permission for someone else to do the same. And that's how we win, not just as individuals, but as a tribe. So here's my final challenge to you. Don't let this message stop with you. Be the sales warrior who serves with empathy, who leads with authority, who protects with truth, Be the sales warrior who never gives up on someone until the problem is resolved.
Be the reason someone else experiences sales freedom, because the movement doesn't grow without you. It starts with you. Scan the QR code and join us at our next Mindset to Sales Freedom Masterclass and meet your people. I want to meet you. Let's create a world where sales freedom becomes the new standard, because the world needs more of us. And now the world has you.